Okay, so we've just explored area as a concept, and basically it's how much paint do I need to colour in the rectangle. And we've determined that the area rectangle can be most easily worked out by just timesing together the two sides. So now let's apply that to a much harder situation at Nat 4. Here's kind of the easy hard one, and then we'll do a hard one. Here I don't have a rectangle, but I have a shape that's made up of rectangles. So my first job here is to open up this drawing, and all I need to do in this drawing is somehow get back to my skill that I already know. So I'm going to draw a line on here somewhere that makes it look like it's rectangles again. So this is the basic principle of all maths, is take a hard problem and just get back to stuff that we already know. So now this problem is much easier. I have two rectangles. Okay, and I know how to do rectangles. We learned that in the last video, and it's kind of Nat 3 stuff. It's easy. You've been learning it probably for years. So top rectangle, what are we going to do? We're just going to do 7 times 3, which is going to give us 21 meters squared for this rectangle. Okay, so 21 meters squared by doing the length times the width of the rectangle. Great. What am I going to do now? Well, I'm going to carry on and use the same skill. I'm going to work out the bottom rectangle, the left-hand one. So let's just call it the bottom. And you see what I'm doing here? What I'm doing is breaking up the problem into two easily solved bits, and I'm kind of describing my working out as I'm going. I'm setting it all out so I understand what I'm doing, and so that the person examining it, giving me the marks, understands what I'm doing. Slight trick here. I've done 2 times 5. If you weren't thinking hard enough, you might have done 2 times 8. Why is it not 2 times 8? Well, 8 is the length of this whole side all the way here. But what I'm trying to do is work out this rectangle at the bottom, and what you can have to work out is how high is this rectangle at the bottom? Well, if it's 8 the whole way, and then this top one is 3, right? So up 8, down 3, and this height here must be 5. It's 8 take away 3 for the height of that one. Okay, I haven't finished. Just to answer the question, how much of this kind of horrible purplish paint do I need? So purple paint, in other words, the area of the whole shape, is going to be 21 plus 10, which is going to be 31 meters squared of paint. There we go. Okay, let's do a proper good one, like is appearing in the Nat 4 Applications of Maths course. Okay, so what have we got here? We're going to try and work out, it won't actually fit on this, so I'll do the next video.